Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I will present the result of the fieldwork practice report at PT Bonit Utama. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Haikal from the 12th grade of TKJ 3. Well, now I'm going to the discussion. In the work is divided into two activities, namely general activities and special activities. First, I will discuss general activities. What are general activities? General activities are activities that are not related to department. The first activity was to making a video about digital code activity reporting flow. So I was asked to make a video containing the step on how to add activities in the digital code. Next. The second activity is creating a PowerPoint about digital code activities reporting flow. So, after making a video, I have to make a PowerPoint for the digital code activity reporting flow so that a participant can understand more quickly how to add activities on digital code website. And the third activity is dismantling the mini tower, which means lowering the tower and removing all the tools attached to the tower. Next, I will discuss special activities. What are special activities? Special activities are activities related to the department. The first activity is learning to install a web server on CentOS 7. Here, I practice learning to install CentOS 7 using VirtualBox, and the result of this activity, I can find out the command used on CentOS 7. Next, the second activity is learning to install domain name system, Debian 9. After learning to install DNS, or what is called the domain name system, I know better how to install the command they use and how to configure it. Next, the third activity is making a UTP unshielded twister pair cable. I was asked to make a straight cable by peeling the skin of the cable and then sorting the color according to the standard after matching the RJ45 connector input, then insert it into crimping clear and pressing after it's done. This cable is used to channel data and the internet to be connected to the CPU. Next, the fourth activity is to check and reclaim the UTP unshielded twister pair cable. The cable must be checked before being used. If one is not connected, then only one has to be removed. Then we have to do a test. Next, the fifth activity is to making bonnet order data report in Microsoft Excel. I was assigned to recap the activity and expired PT Bonit Utama domain order. Next, the sixth activity is revise PT Mignon Sista International website. I manage the PT Mignon Sista International website by logging in as admin and then adding products, display, and order according to the revised data provided. And last, the seventh activity is the network monitoring report. I was assigned to save a graphic image of the traffic bandwidth from internet bandwidth and then copy it into a document. Conclusion: this fieldwork practice activity makes students gain knowledge that is not taught in school and add insight skill, knowledge in the world of work, and from a strong mentally and behave politically and courteously. Suggestion: I have a suggestion, namely to further improve the skill that exists in students so that later, when they practice field work, students are more proficient in working in their fields. That's not for me or the description of the result of the fieldwork practice report. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.